Hello, it's Cameron Jones with Asheville Associates, and welcome to another episode of Real Estate in Real Time. And in this week's episode, I'm starting a two-part series about an often confused and sometimes misunderstood process as it relates to the sale of a property, and that's environmental inspections. In almost 100% of the purchase or sale transactions that I've been involved in over the years has required some sort of environmental inspection. And in this week's episode, I'm going to talk to you about what is commonly referred to as the Phase 1, which is the initial environmental inspection report performed by an environmental consultant on a property. In the blog post below, I share with you some key findings, some processes, and some information that is reviewed by the consultant as part of that Phase 1 report. And then next week, I'll share with you some information about the secondary investigation called a Phase 2, which is triggered when and if the consultant identifies issues or concerns on the property from the Phase 1. It's very good information. It's based upon my experience related to these environmental inspections, and I hope you find it helpful. Two takeaways to understand. Because of the environmental controls that have been in place here, not only in California but around the country, we seldom see highly contaminated sites, especially here in Southern California. But more importantly, just because a property has contamination does not make it unsellable, unusable, or unfinanceable. There are levels of contamination at a property that are acceptable in some cases. And more importantly, those levels of contamination can vary based upon the type of use of property. Say, for example, an industrial or retail or residential property have different levels of contamination that are allowable that make the property still usable or sellable or financeable. So I hope you find this information helpful. Tune in next week for the Phase 2 information. And I appreciate you watching. This is Cameron Jones with Asheville Associates. And remember, local knowledge equals real opportunities. Have a great day.